All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man, Jay. So I haven't had any LED lights in a long time, and these are musically synced LED lights. No application needed. As you can see, there's a speaker on here, and it just flashes. It's got a remote and everything in here. Dynamic mode, music synced, color adjustment, brightness adjustment, lifetime of 20,000 hours. We'll see about that. 2-meter strip. You got a remote control in here. So I haven't decorated my desk. Like I used to have it decorated, but I took it down, man, and I switched desks. And anyway, here we go right here, man. So you can plug this up. You don't need, and here's a little blaster for the remote. It's pretty cool. So this is how it hears the music right here. Right there, music activated LED. You got different modes. You got a mode button right there. I just accidentally hit that and found that mode button. You got a mode button, but it's also got a remote in here somewhere. Yeah, here we go. You got a remote on here where you can do all the different speeds, music, and mode all from the remote. So that's pretty cool. So you pull this little plastic out and you'll be able to activate the remote. It's got some little clips right here, 3M clips to hang it. And I'm gonna set it up and I'll dim the lights after I get my desk all moved around. How many meters is this? 2 meters. Oh, okay. So we're gonna get it all set up. Here it is. I'll just put this around the back of the desk, probably around the edges, and get it all set up. And then I'll show you what it looks like in just a second. Let's get it.